Hello everyone and welcome to the Box Desire. Today we're taking a look at the Technica ATH-AG1X gaming headset. These headphones retail for $300. This one is the isolation version, so it has a closed back on each ear cup, which blocks any outer noise while you game. There's also an open back model, and I'll be sure to link both versions in the description of this video so that you can check them out. Now these are high fidelity headphones, so yes, they are expensive, but they provide superior sound quality, and that is thanks to the 53mm drivers, which are supposed to deliver deep bass and accurate audio. The headset features a high response non-detachable microphone, it has a unique wing support system instead of the traditional headband, and it works with PS4, Xbox One, and PC. Inside the box we are first greeted with some paperwork, and then there's the headset itself. As you can see, it has a black with red color combination, so it looks very much like a headset for gaming. Each ear cup has a glossy finish, and yes, it will attract some fingerprints, however the rest of it has the standard plastic finish. It's quite big because each driver has a 53mm diameter. Here it is compared to the Turtle Beach X07 Pro, which have 50mm drivers. And here it is compared to my iPhone 7 Plus, so that should give you a good sense of how big they are. However, the headset is very lightweight for its size, so they are comfortable for extended periods of time. And what really helps with comfort is the unusual headband. Technica calls it the 3D wing support system, and it's great because it automatically adjusts to the size and shape of your head. So you don't have to deal with the traditional adjusting of each side like you see in most headphones, which can be convenient if different people are constantly using the headset. You feel less pressure on the top, however I did notice that it'll fall off if I move my head too much, but honestly I never make any movements like that while I'm gaming, so it stays in place. Really, the fit will depend on the size of your head, so that's something to consider. The ear cups have leather-like texture and they are super soft, which adds to the comfort. One important thing to note is that the cable is non-detachable, and I'm not a big fan of this because if you break the cable, you ruin the whole headset. It is very tough though, and it doesn't seem to wear off or tear easily, so that's good. The cable is 1.2 meters long, and it also has controls to turn the volume up and down, as well as a mute option. Also included with the headset is an extension cable that is 2 meters long, and this has a plug for microphone and another for audio, which is what you would use with a computer. Using the headset is very easy. With a console you don't need the extension, simply plug it into the controller and start using it. Now let's talk about sound quality. These have phenomenal sound, audio is very crisp and accurate. This is important for gaming because accurate sound helps you locate the enemy easily. You're able to listen to the footsteps of the opponent, so you can hear if someone is reloading their weapon while hiding, for example. Minor details like that. It's useful when someone is sneaking behind you in online multiplayer. You can hear that someone is approaching you and react before you are killed. Bass is present, but it's really not too powerful when compared to other headphones that specialize on that. And I actually like that these don't have too much bass. More controlled bass makes it easier to listen to minor sounds from your surroundings. It also helps with the clarity of voice when you're chatting with a friend. Even if your friend has a crappy mic, it is easier to listen to them. And talking about the chat, these have possibly the best microphone for a gaming headset. The friends who I play with told me that the voice was very clear and with no ambient noise. It does a great job of just picking up what you're saying, and it avoids other sounds. It is also highly adjustable, so you can place it exactly where you want. Overall, this is a great headset for gaming. Is it worth the $300? If you want the best sound quality and microphone quality for gaming, then yes. However, I do want to point out that these don't have as many features and controls as the Turtle Beach, for example, which is much cheaper. But clearly the focus with these is sound quality, so you do get what you pay for. Not to mention that the bigger ear cups makes these more comfortable. Overall, I recommend these if the price is not a problem. You will not be disappointed, and it is the best gaming headset that I've tested. But definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments section. I'm always interested in trying new gaming gear to compare. And so that is it for my unboxing and review of the Technica ATH-AG1X. Please follow me on Instagram if you're interested in cool tech and gaming related images. Finally, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell button if you'd like to receive notifications when I upload new videos like these. Thanks for watching.